Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a little dragon named Malekith. Malekith was different from other dragons because he had sparkling blue eyes and a heart full of kindness. One day, Malekith decided to explore the world beyond his cozy cave. He flapped his wings, took a deep breath, and soared into the sky. As he flew over vast fields and towering mountains, Malekith saw many wondrous sights. He saw birds singing beautiful songs, rabbits hopping about, and even a small village where humans lived. In the village, Malekith met a young girl named Lily. She was afraid of dragons, but Malekith's kind eyes calmed her down. He told her about his adventure and showed her his wings. Lily was amazed and asked Malekith to show her more of the world. Malekith agreed and they flew together, exploring caves, forests, and even a magical waterfall. As the sun began to set, Malekith and Lily returned to the village. Lily thanked Malekith for the wonderful adventure and promised to tell her friends about the friendly dragon she met. From that day on, Malekith and Lily became the best of friends. They continued to explore the world, learning and growing together. And Malekith, the kind dragon, taught everyone that not all dragons are to be feared, for some are full of kindness and wonder. The end.